Joseph here from Eightcap. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today's update, we're looking at the dollar yen, and the dollar yen was pretty interesting. It produced a pretty good signal bar on Friday. We can see here with that huge low rejection. Now that lines up with the previous high. It also backed in this low as support, but we were still in a range. And yesterday we saw a bit of a follow up to that nice looking bar. We saw some higher action, and today we are seeing a mini break of resistance at this stage. So it does at this point look like the dollar yen is starting to form a breakout, and it could be a sign that this trend here, even though it has split into a couple fast trends, it is looking to continue. So we were also wondering if this range continued, and if we saw another test of this area, could we see maybe a break and maybe even a move down into this area, but that has been definitely washed away. And as price continues to trade above this resistance, we will be continuing to focus on the long side, and we'll be looking to see if this rally continues, if it can move back up into this pretty key supply area here. Now, this area really has stopped and hasn't really been tested yet, but has stopped buyers on the last real key rally that we saw back into 2022, when we saw prices get back up to those really strong highs at 122 area here on TradingView. So that's really the question now. Will we see this trend continue? Is this breakout going to be confirmed? We want to see a higher close today, and sooner or later, better than later, we want to see a break of this previous high that was set, a week ago, and then we want to see price move back into this area, and we want to see some closes. If we do see retraces, we do want to see this area here, this breakout area, come in as support as a minimum. We would like to see those higher lows, remain above that area preferably, and then we'd like to see price back in this area, see buyers comfortable, and continue to see higher highs and higher lows, and then hopefully move back out to break through and then get back up to test that previous high. This all depends on the dollar, how it's going to fare, and if the yen will continue to weaken. And if those two things continue to occur, will we see buyer demand remain? So on the short term, though, while we do see some good signs so far with this bar on Friday, yesterday's buying, and then this break of resistance today, we really want to see buyers hold today's move and close above this resistance level. If we have a slip back into this area and a new close, lower close, that would be a touch of a little bit of a worry for buy momentum. But if we do have a higher low, and we see the next bar come back out above resistance and close, that would also be pretty good. But we want to see buyers close above this level and just show that they are in control, and they are not seeing any resistance anymore from this level here that has been short-term resistance for a bit of time. So that's our thoughts on the dollar yen at the moment. We will see how this progresses, and we'll be waiting and watching to see if price can get back up to test this supply area, if buyers can continue to control momentum to the upwards. So yeah, thank you very much for your time, and if you have any comments, feel free to shoot them through. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day, and all the best with your trading. Thank you very much. Bye.